Hi everyone, my name is Danny. I'm one of the people doing Gauntlet AI, and here is my MVP of ChatGenius, the application we're developing as a cohort, at least for the first week. I used Replit to build this MVP in various technologies like Byte for the front-end tooling, Drizzle for the SQL builders, Passport for the authentication, which I'm about to show. Um, Postgres is provided by Postgres, the database is provided by Replit. Um, I use Tailwind CSS for the styling, Pusher for the real-time messaging through WebSockets, and other various React features like hooks and components. So, what does the app have? To start, it has authentication, so you can sign in as a user. You can create one if you wanted to. I'll create a new user called test user 5. Um, Give it a test 123 password. Cool. Um, So when you first see the login screen, you can notice there's a few different channels that I pre-populated here. You can create your own if you wanted to. Um, so if I wanted to, let's say, keeping on the theme of coffee and water, energy drinks, cool. So that channel is created and the other user can log in. Let's do test one. And now see that that channel is created. Um, General has a channel like General and there's several others has real-time messaging capability through WebSockets. So if this user were to send a hello, we should see it on this other user's screen. Cool. Um, and then you can also reply to the thread. So if I wanted to say hello back, there is thread support. Um, and when you click off to other channels, the thread collapses and the channels are also reset. So now if you wanted to, let's say, for example, message user 5, which I think is the one I just made. So hello, user 5, then I'm on 1. So cool. So direct messaging works. Um, you can search for users of, let's say, you wanted to chat with test users 3. It opens up that direct message. Um, and as for the channel and DM organization, there's currently no way to leave channels. I think that was one of my next features that I was planning to do. I'm working on features like deleting direct messages in the row. So if you wanted to clean up this section, um, and you could note that there is like a presence icon here. This uh, works sometimes. I think the biggest caveat is that it's not updated in real time. So if this user 5, were to sign out and I went and updated, we can see that the status is reflected correctly. Um, I've been trying to get it to play nice with WebSockets, but part of the other app breaks. So for the purposes of having a stable build for the MVP, I opted to keep it non-real time for now. Um, what other things? Um, there's no emoji reactions. Um, there's implementation in the backend for this, but nothing is showing up on the UI. I'm still trying to figure that out. And I think all that's left is file sharing and search. I haven't attempted that yet. I think I'm going to be saving that for when I opt to return back to V0 and Cursor for the final project deployment um, and connecting that to AWS for the final feature implementations, and I think that's it. So that is ChatGenius, the MVP at least. Um, and yeah.